Hi everyone, it's Kristi. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with a flip through of my Quaint Pink Roses journal. This is a journal kit that I have put together. It is available in my Etsy store. The link is in the description box below. And I think it turned out really cool. It's a lot of fun. So I've done a soft spine journal here. On the cover I have a nameplate, which is just one of Artie Maze's labels, and I've got some crochet trim behind it and a piece of linen. This is a 2 signature journal. It does measure 8.5 by 5.5. It has approximately a 1 to 1 1/4 inch spine, but I have left it soft so that the journal will lay flat. I've got a seam binding closure here, a little bit of bling on the butterfly. I've added a butterfly charm here, and I have zigzagged around the cover. It does have a semi-soft cover. It is a double layer of cardstock. So let's get inside here. Let's see if I can do this without making knots. Yay! Okay, so in the front here, I have a pocket with a tall tag. They are blank on the back. I've just got a little bit of trim in the top there. Here I have a little bit of coffee dyed paper for writing on that is tucked inside an envelope, which is over one of the designer pages. And I have just a little cluster down here with a ticket and a butterfly, a little bit of bling. On this side I've got a piece of Edith Holden paper. This is not from her books but from her biography. It has some plates of hers in there. This is some paper ribbon I've made with some of the cutoffs. I've got some coffee dyed paper and another one of the background pages from the collection that has some script on it. Over here I've got a stacked double pocket with a card behind. There's tags inside these, and if you want to know how to make any of these, it'll be in the playlist. A little bit of crochet trim on the bottom. I've got a doily, another piece of coffee dyed paper. Here's an envelope wraparound tuck spot so that you can tuck something on either side. I've got a page from a hymnal, another coffee dyed. Here's a banner clip, and I've just tucked a little booklet inside or underneath here. That's got a little bit of crochet trim and some bling. Here's the center of the first signature, and like I said, it's a 3-hole pamphlet stitch, and I've just added some trim inside the center. Here's one of the background pages that this was intended to be a journal card, but I trimmed off some of it to actually to make the banners. This was on the side of this, and so I just turned this remaining piece into a tuck. I've got a tag inside here, another coffee dyed / tea dyed, I'm not sure which. The back of the hymnal. I've got a journal card here. This is a flip over tag. This is just made from a small tag that I've folded for a little journaling spot inside. I've added a little bit of trim, and that just tucks over the page, and then that allows you to tuck something underneath, and you could tuck something there as well. Here's another coffee dyed paper, the doily. Here's a corner pocket. I've just added some lace trim here, another tag with some crochet trim in the top, blank on the back for writing space, more coffee dyed paper, the back of Edith Holden, a little bit more of that paper ribbon. Here's a little coin envelope that we made. You can tuck something in there. I've just flipped that. I have added some crochet trim and bling, and I've just added that to the top of this page. And I've tucked some more coffee dyed paper under here for writing. That's the end of that first signature. You could tuck something else under there. Here's more of the same, another coin envelope with some bling and crochet trim, coffee dyed paper. Here's another Edith Holden page with some paper ribbon. There again, that's one of the plates from her biography. Coffee dyed paper, designer paper. Got another corner pocket. On this one we've got just a ticket with some bling there. Another tag. Doily, coffee dyed paper. Here's another one of the tag flip overs with the journal card. And another hem page, coffee dyed doily, or coffee dyed paper. Another tag here in a corner tuck. This one was also cut off to make a banner clip. Here's the center of this signature, and here's the banner. And under this banner we have just some tickets that can be used any way you'd like. If you want to cut them apart or leave them and journal on them, that's fine too. Another hem page, or the back of the hem page. Here's another envelope wraparound tuck with journal card inside, coffee dyed paper, coffee dyed doily, and another journal card behind this stacked pocket. There again, it's got the small tags inside, and then, like I said, I've glued them on two sides so that you can put something larger behind there. And that is on the designer page, coffee dyed page, paper ribbon on the Edith Holden page. Here's a larger envelope. I think this one's 4.5 by 6. The envelope, and I've just done a little cluster here, tucked that around the page with some coffee dyed paper for writing, and then we have our back page here with our large tag for writing. There again, like I said, I've done just a seam binding closure, so that just tie a bow there. And we have that little butterfly clip hanging down like so. I hope I've been in the screen. Looks like my background is moving on me, so I hope you've been able to see that the whole time. Anyway, if you're interested, this will be in my Etsy store, and I hope if you enjoy the kit, that you'll go purchase that. That is also in my Etsy store. And I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.